How to remove transition in YT create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove transition in YT create application on your video. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. We have to open the YT create application, and in this video you can see that there is a transition added in my video. So now if I wanted to remove that transition, all I have to do is I have to do on this transition icon, and after tapping on this transition icon I will get access to the different effects. But I wanted to remove the old transition effect, so all I have to do is I just have to tap right here on the none option, and if I will tap on this none option, you can see that this transition effect will be removed. So this is how you can easily delete the transition effect in YT create application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.